Voltage regulation by EMF method. Plot the open circuit and short circuit characteristics of the alternator in a graph sheet. Now, determine the alternator's rated current from its nameplate details and locate it on the short circuit current axis. Draw a horizontal line from that point to intersect the short circuit characteristics and name it A. Draw a vertical line from point A to the x-axis and open circuit characteristics. Name the point of intersections, say, B and C. Now, draw a horizontal line from point B to the y-axis representing open circuit voltage VOC. The point of intersection E is the value of VOC at the field current that gives rated current per phase. Divide the open circuit voltage or rated voltage by short circuit current for the same field current to determine the synchronous impedance ZS of the alternator. Substitute the values of ZS and RA in this formula to determine the value of synchronous reactance XS of the alternator. The formulas to calculate the EPH at different power factor loads are shown on the screen. Substitute the known values of each parameter in the formula to get the respective values of EPH. Now, substitute the values of EPH and rated terminal voltage VPH in this formula to determine the voltage regulation of this alternator at any load or power factor condition. Though the EMF method calculates voltage regulation without connecting an actual load, it has some limitations. Any alternates to overcome those limitations? Share your thoughts in the comments.